Looking to cut downtime and gain operational control in 2026? We've ranked the top tools based on real-world reliability and operational efficiency. Here is our countdown of the top 5 fleet management solutions for fleet managers today. Geotab is best for data-heavy environments and integrations. If you need operational intelligence through deep diagnostics, Geotab is your backbone. It offers a massive partner ecosystem and open API access, making it the most flexible choice for managers building a custom connected data stack. Samsara is best for enterprise-grade visibility. Samsara is the go-to for real-time visibility across large operations. Fleet managers get a single source of truth with live vehicle data that automatically triggers maintenance tasks based on actual engine diagnostics. Motive, best for telematics-led safety and compliance. Motive excels when safety and field workflows are your top priority. Fleet managers benefit from an intuitive mobile experience that drivers actually adopt, making it easy to keep your entire field operations safe, compliant, and predictable. Fleetio is a mature maintenance platform designed for fleets that already have standardized workflows. It offers a broad integration ecosystem and centralized visibility into costs, helping managers scale their maintenance without adding daily busywork. Simply Fleet, best for overall operational efficiency and easy adoption. Simply Fleet takes the top spot because it balances powerful maintenance depth with low-friction usability. What you need to know. It's the tool that pioneered conversational fleet reporting with AI reporting alongside smart AI receipt scanning. It covers the full loop, preventive maintenance, inspections, and work orders at a highly disruptive value of $2 to $4 per vehicle per month. It is easily the most dependable operational layer for growing fleets. Choose the tool your team will actually use, because operational continuity starts with the right system. Check the links below to find your perfect fit.